The sound of interceptors and fighter jets in the sky is a new experience for many residents of the UAE. Yet 4 days after the first Iranian attack, the country, where nearly 90% of the population are non-nationals, has absorbed the shock and largely closed ranks. That sense of resolve has been visible across Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and other cities. People have continued with their daily routines, while social media has filled with messages of support from Emiratis and foreigners alike. Life in the UAE continues, though with precautions. Businesses remain open, work, whether remotely or in person, has not stopped. In a country that has never experienced attacks on this scale, the general mood is one of resilience and solidarity rather than panic.